Listen to the story carefully. Story 14. The Cleaning Bot Challenge. Lena groaned as she looked at the messy floor in her apartment. In 2099, sweeping and mopping weren't boring chores anymore, thanks to her AI cleaning bot, Squee. Ready to make your floors sparkle? Squee asked in a cheerful voice. Let's do it, Lena replied. Squee unfolded its tiny arms and began scanning the floor. Dust particles glowed under its sensors. With a swoosh, it swept crumbs into a collection chamber, then sprayed a fine mist that polished the tiles. Lena tried controlling it with her holopad, adjusting speed and cleaning patterns. Wow! I can even make it dance while cleaning. Lena laughed as Squee spun around, scrubbing in rhythm. In less than 10 minutes, the apartment looked spotless. Lena sat back and admired the shiny floor. Chores are way more fun in 2099, she said. Exactly. A clean floor and some fun, all in one, Squee beeped happily. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.